Come on guys, another YouTube video. Today, hey, look at my rabbit trap. Well, better leave. Right. So this is my woods. You know, I'm just walking very carefully because there's like a lot of stuff. Darn it. My rabbit trap is over there. So I made one so rabbit can come here. So last time, it doesn't look like a rabbit anymore, but last time, like, I made a rabbit trap and like it worked. Let's hope it didn't trap the rabbit. It ate all the food and didn't trap it. But you want to see my mystery box or one? Darn it. This is like this when you look at my face. You're not a mystery box or one. Look at this. Guys, that's my tree. It sounds like a bus squeaking. Like a bus door. Yeah. So here's my house. So this little piece, it was like barely on like here, like that. Like it was on like the other one, like really, like barely wasn't touching it, and it just made everything collapse. I hope I'm talking loud enough because inside I didn't want to be so loud, and I'm in the woods, and I don't even know what I'm recording because I don't even know what I'm gonna do. So I know I did go outside. Yeah, that's actually an abandoned camper right there. Darn it, my finger was in the way like this. Look at that glass, disgusting. Well, how is it disgusting? I actually don't know how. So I digged it with a stick because I saw primitive technology dig a really deep hole with a stick. But I realized I think they live in Australia, so it's not too much now. Yeah, I realized they live in Australia, so they have like beer tools and like what are the tools like it has a stick with like a metal at the end and like really sharp metal, so it can help them dig. So that's why I can't dig that deep of a hole. So they were using like what Australia made, because I cannot understand their language. It sounds like small. I don't even know what that is. It's just Chinese, I think. I just call it his main curse was like Shima, and they go kill each other. That's what we do. And then like everyone, and like after me and Curtis kept going like and kept slicing each other. They're like everyone else was like slice. What's that? Something going like sounds like a girl going like Alright. Where's it coming from? Oh, it's not from over here. There's something. You guys can't even hear me. You got squeaky tree. That's what I heard. I heard a girl talking. I just want to get out of my woods, but I just go in here so I can record. And I don't want to mistake and like put my phone in the water. I did it like 3 times. Once in the bathtub because I was like had my hand like this. Oh darn it. I had my hand like this and I was going like it was just very hot. And like my phone just went under the water. And I did it a second time because I thought my phone was waterproof. I did it on purpose the second time. The first time I didn't know that my phone was in my hand. The third time, I let my baby brother have it, and he threw it in a bathtub. I thought my phone was broken. After it dried up, like it kept like going on and off, and I showed ZTE, and then that's what it showed when it turned on and turned back off and did it again. Oh my guys, that was my clubhouse. See right there. Also, you can see there's like a wall, well, beams right there, and there's like a roof. Like it went like from here and went up, like it went up like that, and then like the entire roof was done. And see that over there? That was my wall. I just don't go up there anymore because like I don't have any more boards, and my dad just like broke them. I didn't break them, but they're just all gone. You know, see my boards? Oh yeah, look at those boards. They would work definitely. Those are support beams. If you guys don't know, you guys can see it. I can't see it through their phone. Look at this camper. Sounds like an abandoned door opening. That's what the tree sounds like. You guys see anything over there? Okay, you don't. I should go through my secret passage. There is actually a secret passage over the other way. I'm gonna go over here. I actually don't know what tree is squeaking. Well, I'm gonna go over my secret passage. I guess I must find it. Well, I actually already know where it is. Oh, Jesus. I thought I stepped on a snake. Seriously, guys. I seriously thought I stepped on a snake. Ow, my foot. That really hurt. Here's my secret passage. It comes from back there. Where does that come from? Where's my camper? Darn it. I think you can see my blocks over there. Yeah. It comes from over there to... Alright, where's my finger? Over there. Oh, I think it's still doing it. There you go. Over there to down here. Now I'm going to show you the rest. You guys can barely hear me because of it's pretty windy. Darn it, it kind of grew in a little bit. Not a lot. Probably because I didn't walk this fast way in a lot. Like in a long time. There might be jaggers in here. I actually don't know. Ouch. Yeah, I think there's jaggers in here. I actually don't know where the pathway is. I know where it is. I can barely see it. Oh. It grew in this winter. Holy crap. It looks like there's a passage over here. Ouch. Ouch. It's sticking my foot. Oh. Alright. I'm in another passage. Make sure I don't have any ticks. There's no house. No. If I can't see the license plate, neither can you. How's this spike tree? Hey, look, it's almost 10 minutes. That's good. I can end my video soon. Because I need to put my phone away before everyone sees it. You see it a little bit? I think that's my hole. Alright, let's go through the secret passage even more. But they can see me over here. So I have to crouch. Oh my face. Okay, I think they can definitely see me over here. Just if I can see them, they can see me. Ow! Oh god. My knee just ran to a jagger. I need to keep my camera down because I don't want you guys to see the license plate. Alright guys, I made it through my secret passage. Now let's check my legs. Make sure there's no ticks. Darn it, it's upside down. Darn it, no, it's that way. Darn it. There. Check my legs, see if there's any ticks or scratches. This is kind of weird that for a YouTuber to do. I'm gonna check myself. I don't see any. You guys want to pick some blackberries with me? Picking blackberries with Noah. Hopefully you guys can guess my name. This is the most common name. Oh my gosh. The blackberry I was going to pick had a fucking bee on it. It wasn't a regular bee, it was like a wasp. Oh, hornet, whatever those things are called. And I was like, oh hell no. There's me and Robert's secret passage over there to our house. So see you guys in the next video. Alright? So it might not end the video right now, but I'm gonna hide my phone because I might go in the pool, but so when you hide it and hide it somewhere where I know where it is. Anyone will find it. Hey, that seriously do that? Alright, I'm gonna hide my phone over here, guys. Right here. Alright, see you guys in the next video.